So hi guys, we're here back with another vlog. Today me, mom and Jerry's over there, who's on the road. We are going to do a little, it's a little, what would I call it now?
Mostly around here and there.
Yes, so we're going to Price Mart. We're heading there now. Yeah, basically that's it. As you guys can see, my braids are finished now, so yeah, you guys can see them now. So you have anything to say, mommy?
Harvey's, we're on the road. We're just heading to Price Mart. So let's pick up a few little items, not shopping, and then we might just stop by somewhere to check out the prices of a few items, not necessarily buying today. And then Jerry gonna get gas, and then we're gonna be back home. So we're just gonna take you along with us a little bit. So we're gonna flip this camera now and show you how the road look, where we are, and all of that.
Alright guys, so we are now on Redwoods Road heading to Price Mart. We're almost there actually, not too far. As you guys can see, there's a lot of, activity, as you would say, or stuff cars on the road, because it's Saturday evening. It's a bit busy, not really sure why, but it's a bit busy. Probably because it's like almost month end, so.
It's not busy, I wouldn't say it's busy. I like more than the normal traffic out here, to be honest. To be honest, there's a little more than the normal traffic, family. And sometimes I get so nervous on these roads in Jamaica, even though I drive. I feel tell them to be careful. Nobody wants to wait, family. Some of them don't even know when to overtake. It's just crazy. But we're giving thanks. We ask for the coverage and the protection and all of that. We're in the vicinity, to be honest, of Red Hills Mall. Red Hills Mall over there. But over there look packed down. I don't know. Over there want a little facelift. So that's where we are at now. So we're almost at Price Mart. So when we're at Price Mart, we check back in with you.
So guys, we are in Price Mart now at the moment. We're going in.
Take one, Charlie.
Take one. Just push it out, yeah. Cool. Oh yeah. So we're just inside a Price Mart now, guys, and Mom is going to do she's going to pick up a few stuff, not much. And as we go around, we'll just take you guys with us as we go along. So now Mommy is going to be looking for, cleaning products. So we're just walking through, see if we can find any. That's what. What is this, soap?
Yeah, and soap. Right? There.
Antibacterial liquid soap.
Put it in there.
Yeah. No, that's not it. Go down. Oh, them done.
No.
They look like they're finished, yes. So guys, we are cashing out now.
Yeah, Parry, it was just a little quick one, just a few little, what they call it, what we call it, some little scatter items where we're really in need of, We didn't have any drinking water because the water in the pipe from yesterday evening, so we got a case of water and just few other little stuff. Basically, it kind of money time, the money now around here now. So that's where we are, and people show them all over. A lot of people are in here, but that's our little run today. So when we reach home, we show you what we got, definitely.
So you have biscuit? Alright, let me get one, please. Give me 2 more Sprite. Yes.
So guys, we are at, well, yeah, you just saw a while ago we were at Popeyes. We're ordering some, it could be like a late lunch if you could say, basically. Because I have the same thing.
Yeah, just Barry me hungry now, but I can't even talk. I've not had a bite from morning. What time is it now? Probably about almost 3, and I've not eaten from morning. Maybe.
Here, good.
From my stomach.
Okay.
So just keep your
Oh, you check the gas here. Here, here's a saver. Okay. So we're just waiting for our turn now.
Your driveway is can't do. I think because
Drive
it's
through.
new out here, this Popeyes, this location is new.
It's
But I
it's
think
new,
it,
not really.
Jerry, yeah, I think it's convenient. I think it's convenient. I don't mind it. I think it's spacious, it's convenient. But I think the location is fairly new. That
Yeah.
is why it's so empty. Definitely, I'm not a fan of Popeyes doing a party.
I am.
Girl, a fair thing this.
I don't really like KFC that much anymore.
I'm not a fan of Popeyes, neither KFC, but I'm just like.
You're a
so
fan of your own food.
Huh?
You're a fan of your own food.
Yeah, of course, I may become a fan of my own food more and more because the eating of it now work. I can't take the taste of the food and party. So we are waiting on our food. When we get to food, we'll show you what it look like party. And I can't see this. Our Popeyes, them look like now them are play Dolly House. So basically, this is like 2 pieces down in there, and this is station taking petrol. So this is like 2 pieces, and this is like the fries. Oh boy, biscuit, the Dolly House biscuit.
Oh, and
2009.
the biscuits right here. We just ordered one. This is it.
You show them? So party. I'm going to see if I can eat a little something and make ketchup back on it. So Paris, we are at Dunn's. And which part the company?
Yeah.
Hello.
This is the something the place.
Which is this is
No.
not
The ceiling fan is this way, is it
Oh.
not? Yes.
Oh, yeah. Kind of expensive stuff. Like seriously? I think definitely. So Paris, I am back home by the grace of God, and I give God the glory. And outside is so nice. The time is really hot, but the breeze is blowing. Aye, come here, come here, Bun Bun. Aye, come say aye to the party then. Bun Bun, come here. Bun Bun, come here, come. Come now, come. Come here now, Bun Bun, come say aye. Him better now. Thank God, to God be the glory. He is better. I would say 100%, maybe about 95. You know, say 95, camera girl. Yeah, cause him still in the but my with my puppy and stuff. So, and I try to put him back in the COVID. And the Roxy, him there, I walk with him tongue always and go to him more. See him there? See him there, Parry? That the Roxy. So then just Roxy him just eat pita Popeye chicken. So Barry, one did see the Popeyes, one did see the biscuit camera girl, so she showed the open did see. One did see that Dali house Popeye played out. So we stopped at this lighting place because I wanted a ceiling fan, but oh, the prices were, it was sky high. But they are one of the places that sell the best ones. What can I tell you? But I did not buy it, I left it because one of the workers told me that they're having a sale Friday, starting Friday. So I keep my fingers crossed. I'm gonna go online. She said it's online. I didn't hear it advertising, so I'm gonna go now and check how much percent is it. So when we check the percentage, we have an idea how much I'm gonna pay for the fan. That's just me the fan that the price then turn up. I can't believe. I think it's because of the summer heat why the fans are so expensive. So, but I have to leave that. So I'm gonna end it here for now and guess. I promise to show you the few little items that we picked up, but Hope and Jared and packed them were ready, so that not gonna happen again. So I just want to thank you for sticking around with us through this little vlog. What do you have to say?
Hope you guys have a good weekend.
Yes, we do too. I do that too. So we're gonna close it off right here for now, and we're gonna start another vlog for you. We're gonna be prepping Sunday dinner in our other vlog. So make sure you stay subscribed for that one. Make sure when you subscribe, your notification is turned on, and all of that. It is in the afternoon, so we're gonna carry start another vlog. Probably this one is gonna start at night. We're gonna carry it into tomorrow for you, prepping for Sunday dinner and stuff and all of that. And as we close off this little vlog, never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things.